Are you trying to grow your bookkeeping practice? If you are anything like me, early on, I thought what I needed to grow was to find new clients and also be technically skilled, right? But that's not a strategy for growth. As I discovered the hard way, it's a strategy for booked but broken. Okay, so I built a better way and you need a better way, and that better way is the blueprint. Now, I would like to help you to grow your practice. So if that's not the right way and the blueprint is, how do we learn it? How do we install it? Well, what I recommend is you actually register for my upcoming 5-part workshop series. It is my gift to you. It is completely free. So you can click the link to register. You can come along live, which is ideal because you will get coaching from me, but you can also watch the recordings if you can't attend live. Okay, so click the link to register. Hopefully I'll see you there. And in the meantime, I do recommend that if you haven't already, you grab both my books. I've got 2 books for you, and also tune into my podcast where we'll go into all of that, how to grow your bookkeeping practice.